Hello guys, this is Rakesh Talreja and I welcome you to the India's largest live learning platform, and I am here right now with Ankit Joshi sir to give you a mega announcement. What is that mega announcement, guys? So the Grade Up is going to bring you the GNST Grade Up National Scholarship Test on the coming Sunday. The stage number 1 is going to be conducted on the coming Sunday, that is 28th of February, and the second stage later will be coming up on 7th of March. The first stage of the GNST is just a examination based on common syllable, that is the maths and aptitude. And guys, let me tell you that if you are really wanting to prepare for GATE or engineering services 2022 or 2023, any upcoming year, and if you want to go Grade Up, if you want to buy Grade Up Super subscription chip and you want financial benefits, okay, based on your merit, based on your IQ, so that is why we bring up the Grade Up National Scholarship Test to reward the meritorious students, to reward the deserving candidates, so that they can go for the Grade Up Super in the quite comfortable prices, and that too by the India's best faculty team, as you all already know about the Grade Up. Okay, so Ankit sir, we are conducting the test on next Sunday, but there is some more mega surprise. Ye to ho gaya test, that is a scholarship test. But guys, we are not only conducting the test, we are supporting you to also appear in the test by some of the faculty members. So Ankit sir, how we are supporting the students in this year?
Dear students, Rakesh sir has explained everything perfectly. But one more thing I want to add to this discussion, that we are bringing tomorrow onwards, we are bringing for you classes for your preparation for GNST. So you have to appear for GNST on 28th of Feb, the first round, and we are arranging classes for you for common syllabus, engineering, maths and aptitude, daily at 11 AM and 11 PM. So note this time, fix your calendar and do join these classes so that you will be able to easily qualify GNST and easily take the advantages in terms of knowledge, in terms of financial terms. Okay, so you will be definitely getting some discounts. You will be getting some different courses after GNST qualification. So we are arranging these classes at 11 AM and 11 PM. Rakesh sir.
Yes, so guys, you come to know that not only we are conducting the scholarship test exam, but we are also making you prepare. We are also giving you some more preparation level so that you actually perform well, and then okay, you give your best in the GNST and you get the returns, best returns out of this GNST. So as Ankit sir told, let me repeat. Okay, from tomorrow Sunday up to next Saturday 27 February, daily 2 times 11 and 11 PM, 11 AM, 11 PM. And guys, where the sessions are going to be conducted? These sessions are going to be conducted on the Grade Up app. Mark, this is going to be conducted on the Grade Up app. Agar nahi hai, to please do download the Grade Up app. And after every class, you are also going to get the quiz. Live classes supported by the quiz, so that whatever you learn, you also see your analysis, you see the quizzes, and 28th ke liye get prepared and have a fantastic performance on the 20th of February GNST, guys. So Ankit sir, any message from your side?
Just I want to tell them that follow the schedule strictly so that they will be getting the idea of the type of questions appearing in GNST, and moreover, we can also boost up their confidence before GNST, so that once they appear in GNST, they will be getting some positive results. So just we want to say best of luck, and do present at our sessions at 11 AM and 11 PM. That's the only request I want to make for the students.
Yes, guys. So daily, stay tuned at 11 AM, 11 PM. Some of the sessions will be taken by Ankit sir. Some of the sessions will be taken by me. We are going to make you prepare for the stage 1, that is the common syllabus, maths and aptitude. Okay, guys. So stay safe, prep smart, score better, and go
Grade Up.